everyone, peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, so let's get to the story of today. Anything Musa Mseleku do on his social media page has to do with Vuyokazi's happiness. So for those who don't know, on Tuesday, Vuyokazi, she did announce on her social media that she's the new ambassador for Be Beauty Happies, and people were happy for her. So after that, a few hours, Musa Mseleku posted this picture with a caption "Kupuka lapho sibindi," and then yesterday Vuyokazi posted to say that she's also partnership with another company, which is mobile saloon. Like this week, Vuyokazi, she's been making many. Musa Mseleku posted this picture with her daughter, Mangwabe's daughter, and Maqele's daughter, with the caption "I'm getting old," and people are thinking Musa Mseleku is doing this because of Vuyokazi. But first of all, guys, let's be honest. Musa Mseleku is not following Vuyokazi. I don't think he's doing this because of Vuyokazi. First of all, Musa Mseleku probably he's posting. He doesn't realize that on the other side of Vuyokazi, she's busy posting campaign for people to say that every time when Vuyokazi posts something, Musa Mseleku also posts something. Guys, let's forgive and forget, guys. And what is wrong? And Musa Mseleku. So this lady went on to say that every time Vuyo post or something regarding Vuyokazi trends, Musa posts either Sibindi or Singer. The Putu Sibindi and Tirele even went on cooking show, and then both thought Vuyo will be meeting her husband the other week. The entire family on slow learners. Vuyokazi is making you breathe through the sound. And then this one, she went on to say that imagine coming on social media insulting an elder just because they are public figure. Guys, what kind of homes were you raised in? That is probably true, guys. What are you doing, guys? That is enough. I feel like Vuyokazi's supporters are doing too much, guys. Yes, you do love Vuyokazi. We do understand that not everything that people are doing has to do with Vuyokazi. And I saw that there are people that still believe that Ubusi, the YouTuber, when it comes to those short screen, it was a half fault, not Sabelo's fault. Guys, come on, we all know, man. But some of people are trying to protect this man, and to blame the YouTuber. That is totally unfair. I mean, the YouTuber did well to expose Sabelo, guys. Not all women can do. She probably would have kept quiet, and then she got the money from Sabelo, and then she bought the TV and enjoy. But because she's a good woman and she's protecting Vuyokazi, I mean, she's trying to show that Vuyokazi, you need to be aware, this man of yours, he's not that angel the way you think he is, guys. So people, when it comes to Vuyokazi's supporters, I don't understand them. Everything that a person is doing has to do with the Vuyokazi, guys. Not everything people are doing with Vuyokazi. I remember Abomayeni did post and Makumele did post their picture, and Vuyokazi's supporter, they were like, Aibo, guys, wait a minute, it is a Vuyokazi's day, you need to stop this, your time will come. Even when Mpumalelo and Terele went to the reality show, people are saying that they are copying Vuyokazi's husband because it's a chef. So people cannot breathe because everywhere it's all about Vuyokazi. Let's all be fair, guys. Anyway, guys, what do you think about this? Musa Mseleku, he's probably just enjoying his social media. He doesn't even care what is happening on Vuyokazi, guys. Yes, he probably has that Vuyokazi move on, but doesn't mean that he need to hold on thinking that Vuyokazi is gonna come back. It doesn't work like that. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.